In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a list to Email Octopus. First, make sure you're logged into your Email Octopus account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the section labeled Lists. Depending on your layout, this might appear directly in the main menu, or you might see it nested under a Contacts tab. Go ahead and click on Lists to see all of the lists you've already created in your account. Next, choose the specific list you want to import your contacts into. This might be a newsletter list, a customer list, or any segment you've already set up. Take a second here to double-check that you're selecting the right one, because everything you upload in this process will be added to that particular list. Once your list is open, look toward the top right corner of the screen for a button that says Add Contacts. Click that, and you'll see a few different options for adding people to your list. For this tutorial, we're focusing on importing from a file, so choose the option labeled Import from a File. Now you'll see an area where you can upload your contacts file. Email Octopus works with CSV files, so before you get to this step, it's a good idea to make sure your list is saved as a CSV and that it's under 50 megabytes in size. If it's larger, try splitting it into smaller files. When you're ready, either drag and drop your CSV file into the upload box or click to browse and select it from your computer. After your file is uploaded, you'll be asked to choose the status for the contacts you're adding. Select Subscribed if these people have already given you permission to email them, which is essential for staying compliant with email marketing regulations. Once you've chosen the appropriate status, click Next to move on. On the next screen, you'll see a mapping step. This is where you match the columns from your CSV file, such as name and email, to the corresponding Email Octopus fields. Carefully check that each column is matched correctly, especially the email address field, since that's required for sending campaigns. When everything looks correct and you're happy with the mappings, click Import. Email Octopus will begin processing your file and adding those contacts into your selected list. After a short time, your new contacts will be ready for you to segment, tag, and start sending campaigns.